everyone, welcome back to Hamco Sports. Today we are going to show you how to make a custom wrestling singlet from scratch. We will show you from designing process to stitching process. If you want to learn, please keep watching. So guys, we just finalized the wrestling singlet. So some things are very important in wrestling singlet. So I would like to tell you the main thing is the stretchy fabric. If you want to make a custom wrestling singlet, definitely you need to purchase a stretchy fabric. So definitely you also need to use this kind of stitching, because the main things in also the in wrestling singlet is this type of stitching. So another thing, this area, because always clients complain for the trimmings, because usually suppliers are, you know, the straight cut and leave it. So if you will use this type of stitching, definitely clients cannot complain and they will love it. And I hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to learn more technical things, please keep watching our video, and we will get back to you with some exclusive things and some technical things. Thank you so much.